Let's make tamales.
Let's make tamales. Yes.
Claudette Zepeda is bringing all the flavors of Mexico. She's an incredible chef.
So banana leaves, if they are raw, you cannot do anything with them. They will crack when you put tamales in.
Okay.
So we're gonna drop it on the flame and see
wow,
if,
look at that.
when that happens, it's telling you it's cooking.
So now I do one?
Yep, do one.
What are we gonna do next? We're gonna fill these.
We're gonna fill these, yep. So what we're gonna do is 1 scoop of masa.
1 scoop of masa.
And then you're gonna pat down your masa.
And then this filling.
Yep.
It looks delicious too.
And then I'm gonna do a dollop of the mole.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just
perfect.
a little bit.
Yep.
Okay.
And then I'm just gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds, a pinch of salt.
I can't wait to see how you wrap them.
So let's create our little book. Go this way.
Just halfway over.
You're gonna leave about 2 inches off the end, yeah?
Okay.
And then I like to grab the back of my hand and just tuck it in.
Okay. Tuck it in.
And then you're gonna turn it this way. And then you're gonna tuck this left side in.
Okay.
And then you're gonna see where this ends and kind of push down, tuck in.
Okay.
And then you're going to where this ends, forward.
At that.
I'm gonna show you another ancient Mexican
Okay.
secret.
Rocks.
So when rocks.
What?
So when you're steaming, you have your steam pot. You put river rocks on the base of it.
Now what is
So
that?
you can hear it. You hear it rattling?
Oh, yeah.
So it's like talking to you. When you stop hearing the rattle, you run out of water.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's like an alarm system.
Because you have to know, because it's hard to tell.
You can't lift your tamales
So
out.
the rocks have to just like, oh God, that's great.
Yes. We can drop those in the steamer now. My first memory of Christmas was making tamales with the women in my family.
Nice, I love that.
Let's go ahead and take these tamales out. It's a rite of passage for every Mexican girl to make tamales. For Pamela to have tamales in her back pocket is, for me, the biggest gift to her.
This is amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank
you.